Yeah. Alright guys, good morning. Welcome back to Outdoor Digest. I'm your host, Gavin Droe. I'm out here with my buddy Nick. We are headed to Main Lake, Ontario for some big browns, right dude?
That's right.
Yeah, we got out here the other day and got skunked, so we were a little upset about it, but water looks good today. A little rainy, a little overcast, a little chop potentially, so we're gonna get back out there and hopefully get on some birds, You can tell where my mind's at. I've been thinking about turkeys all morning. Yeah, hopefully get on some browns, so stick with us, should be a good time. See you out on the water.
The storm is coming, but I'm prepared. I'll be gone for a while, but don't be scared. Right now, I don't know if I'll ever arrive. Where the grass is green, we're still alive. I hope I'll see you on the other side. I know that I'll be paying for the ride into the black hole. Sing for my soul. Black hole.
Yeah, dude, nice small. Yeah.
Oh, the brown.
Is it? Mm-hmm. Oh, that's alright. Caught one. Skunk's off, dude.
Not really, but we got white.
Yeah. Yeah. How we making out?
Hey.
Give it another little shot, dude. Whoa. Yeah. Just get them, down there. Just like, oh, there you go. In case there's one following it. But yeah.
But there's not, because there's nothing in
Yeah, there's nothing in here. Whoa. Yeah, rain's beat, huh, dude?
So beach. My hands are cold. We're not catching them.
Yeah, we marked like 3 fish. You gonna spin us around, or are you gonna keep going?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Have the negativity to keep us in line and not get us too motivated.
Right, the doubt.
Right.
The
not
doubt.
Get us too pumped up.
Which is kind of essential, because you need to know, you know what I mean? You can be confident, but you need to know going into it that you might not catch anything. I mean, you knew this morning when we woke up that we were gonna get wet.
And it sucks.
I was in the mindset like, nah, come on, dude. The rain's gonna hold off. The rain's gonna hold what? Which rod?
That one just looked squirrely for a second.
Looked a little funky.
Wow, that's a fish.
Yeah.
That's a real one right there.
Yeah,
Oh, there's another one right there.
So these are some marks. That's what's with the fish. There's actually, that might be another little one right there, off to the side maybe.
We'll catch one right here. I'm down.
What'd you say?
We'll catch one right here. I'm done.
So this is the kind of doubt and negativity we were just referring to, because
Come on.
I'm gonna convince him to keep fishing, and he's gonna get upset about it. Not like in a bad way. I don't mean upset, like it's not a shot at you. Just, you know what I mean?
No.
There's more fish on screen.
Yeah, we're not gonna catch any of them. I don't know. We gotta change colors.
So we're fighting through some adversity. As you can see, it's pretty much full torrential right now. Nick got hit on the paws. He's throwing a jerk bait. He got the rod ripped out of his hand on the paws, missed it. I lost that brown, but I forgot to mention I pretty much saturated my medium out. It is no longer in good working order, so there's that. I just come up and keep on it. So Nick's hooked up on his pole right now, and he just freaking throwing his stick bait on the paws, Nick. Came up, crushed it. Saw him freaking crush it. Came up and crushed it. Saw him crush it, missed it, and then he came at it again. rippling through the surface.
Did you see him that second time?
Nick set the
The
hook.
whole fish.
I
dude.
saw, yeah, the whole fish. On the second hit, the whole fish just came out, boom. So Nick just bought some new setups. Here's the rod. What's the reel you're using?
A style of BG.
Style of BG, known for their big game, you know, reels with a 7 foot,
7.6.
7.6 St. Croix Triumph, medium light. The setup, what are you running? 10-pound braid,
56 pound good.
6-pound braid,
Oh, that's a
6-pound braid, triple surgeon knot to an 8-pound fluoro leader. We'll show you the swim bait. That's a toad. We were literally just about to leave because I'm saturated.
I'm wet.
Nick's got the AFCO gear. He's just starting everything real right now. Look at you, dude. Yeah.
Oh, dude, that's a BS.
Nick had such a bad day all day.
Bad day.
Fighting through adversity. Yup.
Oh, the
Big main lake brown right there. Big.
Top.
Ada on top. Came up, crushed it, missed it. Nick played it smart, didn't even set the hook. And then he came back and swirled on it, and he was pushing a wake to get to it a second time on surface. Saw the big flashing, and got him right here. I want to keep him kind of in the water.
Yeah.
Oh my god, dude, that is a beast. I'll pull my camera out for a sec to snap a few pics.
Yeah, definitely. Good.
Yep. Nick's going for the release here. Oh yeah. Oh my god, dude. All morning, buddy. That was great. Let's go back in there and get another one. I might throw a stick. Alright guys, obviously we just got off the water. Fairly uneventful, but you caught a big one, dude.
I think you have one big one.
Yeah, one big one, but I mean, I'd go quality over quantity any day.
For sure.
So yeah, we're gonna go back, get dry, pretty wet, saturated, and then hopefully get back out there this afternoon. Nick's got to do a few things at the house, and hopefully we'll get back out there. But yeah, if not, had a good time. Appreciate you guys who watched this far. Please like, share, subscribe, do the whole 9 yards, comment, positive, negative feedback. You know the deal. So thanks for watching. Appreciate you guys. Over and out.